Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set page margins in Google Docs. Open a Docs file and select File option. And here we will find this page setup option. Click here and page margin option already showing here. This is margin centimeters. You can apply page margin whole document or a specific section. I'll apply whole document. Now I'll apply page margin only 2.00 centimeters. This is top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. Now simply select OK and see this. All of this page margin now says a new page margin already added. Yeah. Again I will add new page margin, page setup, select whole document. Now I'll choose 2.25 all of these pages. Right and select OK and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.